What's up today, YouTube? Lil Mao here. Today we're going to be going to Watkins Glen in Ithaca. We are going with the New York City Asian Hiking Club, and we're going to be checking out a couple different little hikes around the Finger Lakes. I'm not exactly sure but it's a little 2-day trip, so this should be pretty awesome. Today's Saturday, and we're going to be going to Sunday, and then Sunday we'll come back home. So we took the subway up to Washington Heights, and we're getting ready to walk over the George Washington Bridge. We got to meet them in Fort Lee, New Jersey, and I've been over this bridge many times, and it's definitely a nice bridge to walk over. Now, I have been to some waterfalls. I can't remember if it's Watkins Glen or not. So we'll find out if I've been there before. I don't think I have, but something tells me, yeah, I've been there. Something tells me I haven't. I don't really remember. I've been to some waterfalls and I don't remember where, but since I've been documenting and vlogging, I can keep track of my stuff. All right, so we're getting ready for the George Washington Bridge. Definitely the view from up here is why I decided to wake up a little bit early to walk across the bridge versus taking the bus. Life is about experience. I want to experience this again, and it's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm like, I'm not gonna go. Yeah, that's a profession. I think now that I look around, I think I've been here before a few years ago. It definitely looks familiar, although it's like re-experiencing it again. Now it is super hot around here, but because the water, it makes it really cool. It's not that hot, but outside it is. It's like close to that visual waterfall. So we're gonna walk under the waterfall here. You can see the water right behind us. So cool that you can walk under. So that was really awesome that you get to walk under the waterfall. Now we're going to be coming above it, I think. It's pretty cool. It almost feels like I'm in a jungle or something.
So they look comfortable walking up?
Path here is very wet. I'd recommend bringing some dry shoes after. Look at all the different layers of the slate formed over millions of years. So we're getting ready to go under another little waterfall. All right. definitely refreshing.
Yeah, that's the most
It's a very far drive.
It's not bad. 9 hours? All right.
He is decent drive.
So we are at Taughanock State Park, and that is one of the biggest waterfalls I've ever seen.
Yeah. I don't have to drive to get to the path to get that. This is just a visitor, right? Just go over real high level.
So before, at the Taughanock Falls, we were at the visitor center where you got that view down. Now we're walking at the base, so we're gonna be looking from the bottom up. And it's just a short little hike, hopefully. And we'll see how it goes. I can see some falls from here. Oh, so slippery.
I'm going to the rescue.
Huh?
Yeah.
This is really cool. It kind of reminds me of Umante Lake a little bit. A waterfall. I love the green surrounding it, and then this just a giant cavern that you're in. And all these different rock formations over here are awesome. But wow, this
Went over the wall.
215. Wow. It's bigger than I thought. Yeah, that waterfall is pretty amazing. You don't realize how big 215 feet is. Wow. It's awesome. So if you come to Ithaca, you gotta stop at this falls, Taughanock Falls. I don't know how you say it, but really, really amazing. Definitely the best waterfall I've ever seen. And that up there is the overlook visitor center spot. Right there. So this is the hotel, the Comfort Inn here in Ithaca. We got the double queen. My roommate June sitting here. We got a closet here. We got a mirror. We shall gently